Dermablend Instagrip Jelly Primer. Again, I'm going to use this one. And I'm just going to apply it in my T-zone. And a couple of things really quick. I legit just burned the shit out of all my hand with the curling wand. I literally grabbed it from the wrong end and it's burning so bad. I just did it like 5 minutes ago, which is why my hair is just... I just stopped doing my hair because it hurts so. So if I'm grabbing like products weird and stuff, it's because my hand is really on fire right now. And I'm just gonna apply a little bit of this to my T-zone, and I'm pretty sure that I probably burned my fingerprints off of this finger right here because it's so smooth. So there's that. Foundation, I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Coverage Concealer, and I'm using the color Natural, and I'm going to mix just a drop of the Dermablend Flawless Creator Drops in with it, just to give it a little bit of more coverage. And then, to top it off, I went and got new contacts, and apparently I have an astigmatism in my left eye. So she wants me to wear 2 different contacts for each eye, and I can't see shit. I can't see anything out of my left eye. It's so blurry. And I told her that when I was there, but she swore that I just needed to get used to them. For concealer, I'm going to use the Overachiever from Huda Beauty. Try to cover up this baggage. So if you see me blinking a lot, that's why, because I'm just trying to see. Can't see shit. Oh, this sponge is so, it's like cool from the water. It feels so good on my finger. Then I'm just gonna set it real quick. Not really baking, just setting underneath my eyes. First thing I'm taking is Sigma's Eyeshadow Base Primer. This is going to help prevent creasing and cancel out discoloration, and I'm going to apply that all over my eyelid. I use this every single time I do my eyeshadow, and I'm just going to blend it out. I believe this is a Zoeva brush, and then the palette that I'm going to be using is from Deck of Scarlet. I'm mostly going to be going off of this palette. I'm going to take this orangish, light orange, yellowish color, and I'm going to apply that to my crease, and then I'm just going to blend that out. And it's kind of just act like a black background color. And then I'm going to take the color Wildflower. Oh, I can't talk. And then I'm going to blend that further into the crease just to kind of give it like a gradient effect. And then I'm going to deepen up that crease with, what color is it? The color Nocturnal. And I'm just adding that into my crease and blending it out with a Sigma E25 blending brush. Really doesn't have to be perfect, especially on the bottom, because I am going to cut that crease. I just want to make sure the top is blended. Then I'm going to take a concealer, and I will have this brush listed in the description box below. It's from Sigma, and I'm just going to cut that crease with some concealer. And then I'm going to take another Deck of Scarlet palette, and it's number 7, and I'm going to use the blue shade, and I'm just going to add that to my lid where I put the concealer. So for my lower lash line, I basically did the exact same thing. On the bottom, I added a little bit of the purple color closest to my lash line, and then I added a little bit of my transition shade just to blend that out. And then I used a Sigma black eyeliner for my waterline, and then I went back to the first palette and used the lightest shimmery shade, and I put that into my inner corner. And then I took a L'Oreal Infallible eyeliner, and I just gave myself a little baby wing. For blush, I'm going to use the Makeup Forever Pro Bronze Fusion, and I'm using the color 10M. Warm up my face a little bit with my favorite bronzer brush. It is so hot in this room. I'm sweating. Do my nose with that color too. Okay, and then I'm going to take this Deck of Scarlet palette. This is edition number 7. I'm going to use both the blush, which is Lovesick, and the highlighter, which is Rockstar. So I'm going to use both of these. I'm going to take just a little bit of this because I don't want too much pink. Sweating already, so I might as well not spray my face. So I'm gonna put a little bit of this same palette comes with 2 lipsticks. I'm gonna put a little bit of this lighter one on top, and then they just came out with new Deck of Scarlet just came out with new lip glosses. I'm going to show you guys and swatch them right now, but I'm just going to put a little bit of this on my lips first. Actually ended up just mixing the two. So Deck of Scarlet recently came out with new lip glosses. They have 6 new lip glosses. I'm going to swatch them all for you right now, but I think I'm going to use... I'll swatch them in the order that they go, but it's this one. The packaging is really nice. It's a gel-based formula. This is the color, I think I'm going to use this one right now. This is the color High Shine Lip Gloss, color Muse. Kind of remind me of MAC's lip gloss. It's kind of like a buttercream scent. Ooh, that's pretty. That's really, really pretty. So this first lip gloss is called Splash, and it doesn't look like much when you swatch it, but it's kind of got bluish purple reflex in it. It's really pretty. The next color is called Dare Me. This next one is called Violet Bomb, which is a little bit more on the purple side. Then this is the one I used. It's called Muse, which is so pretty. Then this one is called Nymph. Again, can't really see it, but it's a really pretty champagne color. And then the last one is called Champagne Dreams, which is more of like a goldish flake type color.